My name is Jessica and I own the Mix House. I wanted to start the Mix House because I wanted something like this when I was growing up in this town. I also love connecting with people, and this just felt like the best way to do that. If I had to choose one word to describe the town, it would be charming. I think what makes the Mix House special is the way that we build relationships with the folks in our community. There's a lot of things that I love about what I do, but the thing I love the most are the relationships I get to build with my staff and my team. We truly aim to feel like a family, and I think we do a pretty good job of that. The memory that stands out the most about the house on Main is I actually went there for an estate sale years ago, and there were caution signs posted everywhere about entering the house at your own risk, which made it a little scary, but also made it a little more fun. My name is Jess with the Mix House. Please swing by and see us soon.